Here we're going to discuss PanelBoy's JST series terminal types. What we have on display is JST 2.5s, JST 4s. JST 2.5s all have a maximum gauge size of 12 gauge on either end. If using a ferrule, you have a maximum gauge size of 14. JST spring terminals, easy to remove on and off din rail, with one spring clamp in the back of the terminal. JST 4s have the same function for taking on and off, with one clip in the back. Take off, put on. What we have here is JST 2.5s, JST 2.5 twins, 2.5 Quattro, 2.5 JSTTBs, JST 2.5/3Ls. JST 2.5s. We have the 2.5 twin, Quattro, JSTTB, and the 2.53Ls. That's all for the 2.5 series. JST 4s. Which has a max gauge rating of 10. Here we have the JST 4 twins, just like UFC has the 2.5 twin, just with bigger gauge rating. And for the last, we have the Quattro for the number 4s. Just like the 2.5s, just a bigger gauge. Every JST series terminal type is unique in its own way. So for the 2.5, which you would normally see on all your panels, will have one connection point on either end. Good for in and out. 2.5 twins. I like these a lot. They have two connection points that meets to one. Good for any kind of power distribution. As for the Quattro, you have two connection points on both ends. It's really nice for 24 volt power distribution, 0 volt distribution. For the JSTTBs, you have two separate connections, two connections on both ends. Very nice, you can use it on any PLC I/O to minimize panel space. These, I like these a lot. JST 2.53Ls. As you can see, they have 3 levels of connection points, all separate. Good for I/O, anything to do with PLC. And those are the different functions for the 2.5s. As for your 4s here, similar functions to the 2.5s. Your JST4 type has a single connection on either side. The twins, just like the 2.5s, have 2 connection points that meet 1, and same as your Quattro, as your 2.5s. They have the same connection with 2 points. Very unique. I like them all. Well, what sets our terminals apart from big manufacturers that are already selling terminals? Well, there is no difference. And that's the beauty of our terminals, is that we have an exact drop-in replacement with all Phoenix Contact, Eaton, and Siemens products. Also compatible with their jumpers, end barriers, and everything that comes along with all the terminals. That's what sets us apart, is that we're not too far apart from already the leading manufacturers. And that's why making the switch is so much easier.